Hey everybody, it's Adam Mario and welcome back to the channel. It is late today, but I have just returned from London's EGX event and Comic-Con. And in today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you everything that I have purchased. It's all sitting over here, talking about some things, and yes, that's about it. Remember to like, comment and subscribe on this video, turn on notifications when I upload. This is probably the third video in a month, I think. Right, so let's start off with some free stuff. I was given a Crunchyroll bag with a free code to do some watching of it. We got a business card because there was a lot of arcade machines there. This is London Pinball. They're really cool, really nice people there as well. Let's keep going through all the free stuff first. So we've got a Sonic and Shadow keyring, which looks like that. That's pretty cool. I actually really like that. Now the only other thing is they gave me two. So the question is, what's in the second one? Oh, it's just the exact same. There's your proof. But yeah, I was given two because I took a picture with Sonic. That's really cool. We've got a company. Don't need to look at that. This game I'm very excited for. If you want to help wishlist it on Steam, then feel free to. We got another game that needs to be Steam boosted if we can. That'd be really appreciative. And then there's another one. There's that. And for playing the game, they gave me two postcards, which are really cool, and a bunch of stickers. I've never played the game. Game was actually quite cool. I think out of the three here, this one was probably my favourite, followed by that. I'd never done a Comic-Con before. Comic-Con was massive. It was so fun. I went dressed like this. I went dressed as a gamer. Got another company. Another company and another company. And was there any other free stuff here? No. Right, we'll start off with this. This was one of the t-shirts you could buy. It says EGX on it. So, pretty cool. I actually like the design of it. There was loads of different designs to go for, but that's one I went for. And I got a second t-shirt here, which we'll open up so we can see what it looks like. There were so many different t-shirts I choose from. And there was a couple that I liked, but then I thought, no. One literally just says boo on it, because it's kind of cool. So those are the t-shirts. I picked up this for $40. It's the Mario TV show. It's all complete. It's all complete. The Super Mario Bros. Super Show. I have watched all 17 episodes on YouTube. I did pay $40. It's a little bit battered in places, but I've never seen it in DVD form, so I thought I had to pick it up because it's pretty cool. I've forgotten what the place was called. Planet something was there, and I managed to get a nice looking Doctor Who canvas, and these are all on display, and I knocked every single one on the floor because they weren't arched in us. They're all sitting upright and they all slid off. So I really like that. You can see it's got the Doctors on it. It's got obviously two Tennants on there because David Tennant is cool. Forbidden Planet. It was from Forbidden Planet. where you can also buy 15th Doctor screwdriver. Talking of sonic screwdrivers, I've been after this for a long time. It is very hard to come by. I got the 3rd Doctor's sonic screwdriver, which now just means I am missing the 4th Doctor. Again, that just looks really, really cool. I like it. I've been looking for this one for a very long time. There was quite a few. They were quite expensive. This one was done at 30, which I thought was quite cool. Next up, I managed to, because I like to collect these, I managed to get a bunch of old Doctor Who magazines. And because I bought quite a few, he did me a deal, which is really, really good. Probably can't see all that well. But I love the fact that, like, this used to be like 60p, because this was back in, this is like issue 82, and it's really cool to see. That's all the Doctor Who stuff I went for. I also managed to come across the Fortnite Marvel Zero Wars book. Been looking for this for a long time. It's another really, really cool thing that I like. I think that this is a really cool find to have, because I can now unlock everything in Zero Wars side of stuff. And last but not least, we got this big box. Now this I really was excited to pick up. This was my expensive buy of the trip, basically. It is a deconstruction of a Nintendo GameCube. And it just looks amazing, like, it's so well made. But that was a very brief video. I didn't get, unfortunately, any footage of the day, mainly because there was just like a lot of people about, and I just didn't really have anywhere that like I had time to film, so I thought I'd do this instead. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment and subscribe on this video, and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload. I shall see you all in probably November for when Mario and Luigi Broship finally drops on the Nintendo Switch. See you guys later. Goodbye.